Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Servus. Today we're going to enjoy the sunny side of Austrian German. We will take a look at 10 summer-related words that you'll hear all over Austria once the temperatures are rising. From flip-flops to mosquitoes to the famous Spritzer. This list tries to prepare you for the summer with words like Schanigarten and many more. So let's dive in. Los geht's. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn 10 important Austrian German words about summertime. Let's start with the important word Sommer. In many Austrian dialects, you come across the word Sommer. Sommer. Let's take a look at an example. Heuer is a schener Sommer. This means it's a beautiful summer this year. Heuer is a schener Sommer. Normally it's quite hot during the summer. In standard German, the word is heiß. In many Austrian dialects, you will hear either Heuers or Haas. Heuers is rather used in the western regions. Haas is rather used in the eastern parts. A hot summer is a heißer Sommer or a heißer Sommer. The third word on our list is Badewaschel. Any idea what Badewaschel means? The formal word is Bademeister. Badewaschel is a funny and slightly cheeky word for a lifeguard or pool attendant. Another typical Austrian word is Schlapfen. Any wild guess what Schlapfen could mean? The term Schlapfen can be translated as flip-flops or sandals, which are useful during summer. The next term consists of two parts, first Affen and second Hitze. Affenhitze, or in dialect Offenhitz. The English translation is scorching heat. For instance, Sir Offenhitz, such a scorching heat. Now we have to mention a negative aspect of summer evenings in Austria. Gelsen oder Gösen. Do you know what that is? Gelsen is the word for mosquitoes, so we may say die depperten Gösen if we're annoyed of them. Number 7 on our list is Schanigarten. A Schanigarten may be translated as outdoor cafe or restaurant. If you'd like to meet there, you can say treffen wir uns im Schanigarten auf ein Spritzer. Talking about Spritzer, do you know that word? One of the ultimate summer drinks in Austria is called Spritzer. It is usually white wine with sparkling water. If you want to have an apple juice with sparkling water, you can order an Apfelsaft gespritzt. If you want to know more about Austrian drinks, please check out the video in the top right hand corner. If you are heading to the Freibad or to the lake, you should not forget your Badezeug, or in dialect Badezeug. Badezeug can be translated as Swimwear. For example, ich hab mein Badezeug vergessen. I have forgotten my swimwear. Ich hab mein Badezeug vergessen. Whether you're a student or just dreaming of vacation, Ferien are one of the highlights of the year. Ferien means holidays. So we can say endlich Ferien, finally holidays. I hope this tutorial helped you to become a bit more familiar with Austrian German words about the topic summertime. If you want to know more about Austrian words, please check out the videos and playlists on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen, Servus und Baba. And of course, einen schönen Sommer.